BBC Breakfast presenters Roger Johnson and Rachel Burton were forced to abruptly end an interview on Saturday morning when an alarm went off in their Salford studio. The duo swiftly ended the program, revealing they were going to have to leave the studio. Rachel and Roger were in the middle of an interview when the alarm first went off. They were interrupted while chatting to the winner of The Apprentice 2022, Harpreet Kaur. Also, we've been disturbed by an alarm, which may mean that we have to slow things down for a moment, Rachel said, when the alarm sounded. I'm so sorry everyone. For the time being we're going to have to leave the studios. So we'll see if we can come back before the end of the show, she explained. Emmerdale Theory, Marlon Dingle and Rona Goskirk leave Village. Roger said, "Thank you, enjoy what you're doing for the rest of the day. I think we are going to have to go." Harpreet, I'm so sorry, the presenter said. No, don't worry, it's fine, Harpreet swiftly replied. As the alarm continued, an automated message could be heard saying, "Attention, attention. Please evacuate the building." Addressing viewers, Roger said, "I'm so sorry. We think we've gone off air, we don't know. If you're watching, thank you for watching. Goodbye, this is where we say goodbye," he concluded. Shortly afterwards the program was taken off air, leaving viewers wondering what had happened. Taking to Twitter, some viewers questioned why they didn't leave the studio quicker. BBC's Roger Johnson blasted for defending Boris and refugee interview. Must see Emmerdale horror twist as Manpreet star hints Meena could walk free. Theory MasterChef viewers confused by format shake-up. Insight, instead of getting the hell out of there. Has sat on the sofa continually apologizing. Evacuate fool. #BreakFast, @4Scale commented. Unbelievable, do they not know what to do if an alarm sounds telling you to evacuate? #BreakFast, @ITT39354118 said. What a terrible example of what to do when you hear a fire alarm. #BreakFast, @Alifia tweeted. Evacuation announcement in the building and they're just sitting there talking about it instead of leaving immediately. @BreakFast #BreakFast, @Marine23aqua added. Meanwhile, others expressed their concerns for all those working at the Salford studio. That was strange. I hope everyone is okay and was a false alarm. #BreakFast, @Mersoldfields wrote. @Breakfast came to rather an abrupt end. Hope they made it out safely. #Breakfast, @Ms. Sarah Love commented. After the evacuation was over, presenter Rachel updated viewers on Twitter by reassuring them that it was a false alarm. It's all okay folks, false alarm, and yes, I did get some cookie pie and get to chat to the fabulous @Harpsichord @Breakfast, Rachel tweeted. BBC Breakfast airs weekdays at 6 a.m. on BBC One.